Welcome to the Colonial building. This is a shared living experience in the heart of the Ithaca Commons. Each studio efficiency apartment comes with its own private bathroom, and there is a communal kitchen and lounge area on each floor for tenants to share. We're here today to see apartment 201, an efficiency on the second floor. Let's head on in. Each furnished studio efficiency comes with 5 pieces of furniture: a desk and desk chair, a bookcase, a full-size bed, and a dresser. Each efficiency also comes with its own closet. Apartment 201 is a skylight room, which means the closet contains a pole to open and close the skylight. You can see the skylight here. It lets in plenty of light, and there is a ventilation fan that you can operate for air. Every studio efficiency comes with a microwave and a mini refrigerator, as well as an intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a shower and tub combo, a vanity, and a medicine cabinet. Rent for apartments in the Colonial building includes heat, water, trash and recycling fees, and electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Colonial 201. Call us today for availability.